If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Each time the status of a job changes, you should update its status in the Customers and Jobs list within the Customer Center window. For example, if you began work on a job that was previously labeled pending, you should update the information for the job to reflect the fact that you have started work on it. You can update a job status by double-clicking the job entry within the Customers and Jobs list, or by selecting the job within the list and then choosing Edit Customer Job from the menu bar to open the Edit Job window. Within this window, select the Job Info tab and then use the Job Status drop-down to change the job status. When finished, click the OK button to save your changes. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.